How to use voice to text on WhatsApp on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to Find and tap on General. In the General menu, scroll down to Find and tap on Keyboards. On the Keyboards page, scroll down until you find the Dictation section. Tap the switch next to Enable Dictation to turn it on. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Tap on Enable Dictation to proceed. The dictation feature is now active on your keyboard. Now, go back to the home screen and open up the WhatsApp application. Open any chat where you want to send a voice-to-text message. When your keyboard appears, tap the microphone icon in the bottom right corner as shown. You can now start speaking your message clearly. As you speak, your voice will be transcribed into text, and tap Send. Following these steps, you can easily use voice to text on WhatsApp on an iPhone.